Swiss masterpieces. Unveiling Appenzellerland and Roger Federer. Embark on a captivating journey where the stunning beauty of Appenzellerland, Switzerland, meets the extraordinary life of Swiss superstar Roger Federer. Experience breathtaking landscapes and be inspired by Federer's remarkable achievements. This video offers a unique blend of natural wonders and sporting greatness, ensuring an unforgettable adventure awaits. Hello my dear friends, I am Tohid Setaredan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setaredan channel. Together, we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. A glimpse of Appenzellerland's geography. Appenzellerland, located in the eastern part of Switzerland, is a region of unparalleled natural beauty. The landscape is characterized by lush green pastures, rolling hills, and the iconic Swiss Alps, forming a backdrop that will leave you in awe. The region is divided into two cantons, Appenzell Innerrhoden and Appenzell Ausserrhoden, each offering its own unique charm. The rugged, untouched terrain is a hiker's dream come true, with numerous trails and pathways that crisscross the landscape. Whether you're an experienced trekker or a casual stroller, the vast network of hiking trails caters to all levels of outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the Alpstein Massif, home to the famous Sentis Mountain, which provides breathtaking panoramic views of the entire region. Unraveling the rich history of Appenzellerland. Appenzellerland's history is a captivating narrative that stretches back centuries. The region was first settled in the 10th century and later became known for its unique political structure. In the 16th century, Appenzellerland played a crucial role in the Swiss Reformation, further solidifying its historical significance. A must-visit historical site is the Appenzell Museum, which takes you on a journey through time. It offers a glimpse into the region's past, displaying artifacts, documents, and art that bring history to life. The old town of Appenzell is like a living museum, with beautifully preserved buildings showcasing intricate frescoes and timber facades. Where to stay? Hotels that embrace Appenzellerland's spirit. To fully immerse yourself in the local culture and breathtaking surroundings, you'll need the perfect place to stay. Appenzellerland boasts a variety of charming hotels that provide an authentic experience. 1. Hotel Hof Weissbad. This historic hotel, nestled in the heart of Appenzellerland, offers a blend of tradition and modern comfort. Enjoy the scenic views from the spacious rooms and savor delicious Swiss cuisine in their restaurant. 2. Romantic Hotel Sentis. This romantic getaway is the ideal choice for couples. With its alpine decor and cozy atmosphere, it's the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring. 3. Landgasthof Eichen. If you're seeking a more rustic experience, this traditional Swiss inn is the answer. Located in a quaint village, it's the ideal retreat for those wanting to disconnect and embrace the simplicity of rural life. Savory dishes and sweet treats. No visit to Appenzellerland would be complete without indulging in the local culinary delights. Swiss cuisine is renowned for its flavorful dishes, and Appenzellerland is no exception. 1. Appenzeller Cheese. A trip to Appenzellerland is synonymous with savoring the famous Appenzeller cheese. Produced according to a closely guarded secret recipe, this cheese is a true delight for your taste buds. 2. Rösti. This Swiss dish is a crispy delight made from grated potatoes, often accompanied by a variety of toppings. You can't leave Appenzellerland without trying it. 3. Swiss chocolate. While not specific to Appenzellerland, Swiss chocolate is a culinary experience that you simply cannot miss. Try handmade chocolates at local shops. Explore beyond Appenzellerland. While Appenzellerland is a destination that can easily fill your days with wonder, there are also nearby attractions worth exploring. One, Lake Constance. Just a short drive away, Lake Constance offers water-based activities, charming lakeside towns, and cultural attractions. 2. St. Gallen. This vibrant city is known for its UNESCO-listed Abbey of St. Gall, an architectural masterpiece, and its old town. 3. Liechtenstein. Appenzellerland is close to the tiny yet captivating Principality of Liechtenstein, a unique destination worth a day trip. Final conclusion. Appenzellerland is a region where time seems to stand still, allowing you to escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and delightful culinary experiences, it beckons travelers to explore its unique charms. So, why wait? Pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and set out on a journey to Appenzellerland. Unearth its hidden gems, savor its flavors, and immerse yourself in a world where nature and culture come together in perfect harmony. Your adventure in this hidden gem of Switzerland is waiting, and it's sure to be an experience you'll cherish forever. Roger Federer, a tennis legend. Roger Federer, born on August 8, 1981 in Basel, Switzerland, is a name synonymous with excellence in the world of tennis. His journey from a young aspiring athlete to a global tennis icon is a testament to his extraordinary talent, unwavering dedication, and profound love for the sport. With a career spanning decades, Federer has left an indelible mark on tennis history. Federer's biography is a story of a young boy who picked up a tennis racket at the age of 8 and never looked back. He began playing tennis in his hometown of Basel, and by the age of 14, he joined the Swiss National Tennis Center. His remarkable rise in the tennis world began when he turned professional in 1998. Since then, he has consistently wowed the world with his grace and skill on the court. One of the most remarkable aspects of Federer's career is his list of successes. With 20 Grand Slam titles to his name, he has achieved greatness that few in the sport can match. His victories span all 4 major tournaments, including Wimbledon, the Australian Open, the French Open, and the US Open. His record-breaking 20 Grand Slam titles have established him as one of the greatest tennis players of all time. While Federer's on-court excellence is widely recognized, his wondrous secrets lie in his work ethic and adaptability. He is known for his dedication to training and a strong commitment to staying at the top of his game. Federer's ability to adapt to different playing conditions and opponents is one of his key strengths. His remarkable agility, impeccable footwork, and a diverse range of shots make him a formidable force on any surface. The reasons behind Federer's success go beyond his physical prowess. His charisma, sportsmanship, and passion for the game have endeared him to fans around the world. He has consistently displayed grace in victory and defeat, earning respect from both his peers and fans. Federer's ability to inspire others and his philanthropic efforts, such as the Roger Federer Foundation, have cemented his status as a global sports icon. In conclusion, Roger Federer's biography is a story of dedication, passion, and talent that has led to remarkable success in the world of tennis. His 20 Grand Slam titles and his enduring presence in the sport showcase his exceptional skills. Federer's secrets lie in his work ethic and adaptability, while the reasons for his success extend to his charisma, sportsmanship, and philanthropic efforts. Roger Federer is not only a tennis legend, but also a true inspiration to athletes and fans worldwide. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Prepare for an extraordinary expedition to Denmark's Faroe Islands. In our upcoming video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the rugged beauty of these remote islands in the North Atlantic. But that's not all. Alongside the stunning landscapes, we'll unravel the fascinating history and culture of the Faroe Islands. And just as Switzerland has Roger Federer, Denmark's Faroe Islands have their own global superstar, Mads Mikkelsen. Discover the remarkable career and versatility of this Danish acting legend as we explore his exceptional contributions to international cinema. Join us for a double feature of natural wonder and artistic brilliance. Stay tuned and don't miss out on this extraordinary adventure. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to catch this fantastic content. Your next adventure begins soon. I invite you to enjoy one of the captivating videos in this section. The first video, situated at the top of the image, reveals the mesmerizing Antelope Canyon in the United States, providing insights into the biography and success secrets of Hollywood superstar Jennifer Lawrence. Meanwhile, the second video, located at the bottom of the image, presents a visually engaging puzzle, challenging your travel knowledge for a delightful and entertaining experience. Which one would you like to choose?